Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganpat Nagda, and today we will start a new chapter, that is a plant kingdom. So kingdom plantae includes green, brown and red algae, liverworts, mosses, ferns and seed plants with or without flowers. They have the following characters. First, multicellular organism with walled and frequently vacuolate eukaryotic cells. Second, they contain photosynthetic pigment in plastids. Mode of nutrition is photosynthesis, but number of plants has become absorptive. Primarily non-motile, living anchored to a substrate. A structural differentiation leading towards organs of photosynthesis, encourage and support, and in higher forms towards specialized photosynthetic, vascular, and covering tissues. Reproduction is primarily asexual or sexual. The reproductive organs are multicellular. A multicellular embryo is formed during development from the zygote. Algae lake embryo stage. Life cycle consists of alternating haploid, gametophyte and diploid sporophyte generation. This phenomenon is called alteration of generation. Now you can see plant kingdom can be divided into two parts. One is cryptogamy, another is sphanerogamy. Now you can divide cryptogamy into thallophyte, bryophyte and pteridophyte, and you can divide sphanerogamy into gymnosperm and angiosperm. Thallophyta, algae. The branch of botany dealing with the study of algae is called as phycology or algology. It is derived from the Greek word phycos, which means alga or seaweed. They are simple autotrophic non-vascular plants having unicelled sex organs and no embryo formation. According to Frisch, 1935, the designation alga must include all holophytic organisms. Specialized habitats: A. Cryophytes. Plants growing on snow or ice are called as cryophytes. B. Thermophytes. Plants growing in hot water are called as thermophytes. C. Epiphytes. Several algal forms grow on other plants, algae, angiosperm, as epiphytes. Example: Oidogonium, Cladophora, Ocheria, etc. Endophytes. Some blue-green algae grows as endophytes inside other plants. Example: Anabaena growing inside the leaf of Azolla fern. Epizoic. Algae growing on the bodies of the animals are described as epizoic. Example: Cladophora crispata grows on a snail shell. Endozoic. Algae growing inside the body of animals. Example: Chlorella grows within the tissue of hydra. Symbiotic forms. Some algae like Chlorella, nostoc, etc. growing in symbiotic relationship with member of Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes fungi constitute the lichen. Parasites. The alga Cephalus virescens grows a parasite on the tea leaves. Thallus organization. The algae show a considerable variation in the organization of the thallus. First, unicellular forms. Several members of algae are unicelled. They may be motile like Chlamydomonas or non-motile diatoms. Multicellular forms. The multi-celled algae show a considerable range in their organization. A. Colonial. A colony consists of independent organization. The colony of Volvox is motile, that the hydrodictyon is fixed. Planeloid. Here the vegetative cells of the alga get surrounded by a mucilaginous matrix. Example, Tetraspora. Dendroid. Here the colony appears like a microscopic tree. There is a secretion of mucilage from the polar end. Example, Ecbalocytis. Filamentous. Filaments may be uniseriate or multiseriate, free-floating or attached, unbranched urethrix or branched cladophora. Siphonous, an aseptate multinucleate sinusotic condition of a filament or thallus, constitutes the siphonous habit. Example, Vachuria. Parenchymatous. Parenchymatous organization of the thallus has been observed in many members of brown algae, Sargassum laminaria, red algae, Gracilaria, Porphyra, and a few green algae, Chara, Alva, etc. Classification. Linnaeus 1754 differentiated a group of plant and called as algae, where he included lichens and liverworts also. Frisch 1935 classified algae into 11 classes as under: Chlorophyceae, green algae; Xanthophyceae, yellow-green algae; Chrysophyceae, Bacillariophyceae, diatoms; Cryptophyceae, Dinophyceae, dinoflagellates; Chloromonodinae, Eugleniae, euglenoids; Phaeophyceae, brown algae; Rhodophyceae, red algae; Mixophyceae or Cyanophyceae, blue-green algae. Silent features of some selected classes. The first, Chlorophyceae. A. Plants freshwater or marine. B. Forms unicelled to parenchymatous. C. Cells showing eukaryotic organization. D. Chief pigments chlorophyll A, B, G carotenes, lycopene, lutein, volexanthine. Reserve food, starch and oils. Zoospore formation occurs. Male gametes flagellate. Flagella identical. Sexual reproduction, isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Xanthophyceae. Plants generally freshwater. Forms unicell to siphonous. Cells showing eukaryotic organization. Chlorophyll A, E and beta carotene, vioxanthine, neoxanthine. Xanthophyceae, reserve food, chrysolaminae, and oils. Zoospores formation occurs. Male gametes flagellate. Flagella non-identical, unequal. Sexual reproduction, isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. This slide is showing the picture. Phaeophyceae. You can see in this particular slide. Phaeophyceae characters are: plants marine, forms unicell to parenchymatous, cells showing eukaryotic organization, chief pigments chlorophyll A, C, beta carotene, fucoxanthine, lutein, vioxanthine, dietoxanthine. Reserve food, laminarine, mannitol and oils. Zoospore formation occurs. Male gametes flagellates. Flagella unequal. Sexual reproduction, isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. So you can see in this particular slide the picture of Rhodophyceae. Characters of Rhodophyceae are: plants generally marine, forms filamentous to parenchymatous, cells showing eukaryotic organization. Chief pigments are chlorophyll A, D is present, but chlorophyll C is absent. A, B carotene, lutein, vioxanthine, fucoxanthine, mixoxanthine, G phycoerythrin, G phycocyanin, and L-phycocyanin. Reserve food, fluoridine starch, galactine, SFO polymers, no zoospores formation, malgametes, non-flagellates, sexual reproduction by specialized type of oogamy, life cycle, haplobiontic or diplobiontic. You can see the pictures of Cyanophyceae in this particular slide, and the characters of Mexophyceae or Cyanophyceae are plants generally freshwater, a few forms marine, forms unicell to filamentous, cells showing prokaryotic organization, chief pigments chlorophyll A, B, carotene, luteins, myxoxanthin, oscillaganthin, C-phycocyanin, C-phycoerythrin, L-phycocyanin. Reserve food cyanophycosine starch, that is glycogen, and cyanophycine protein. No zoospore formation, no flagellate bodies, no sexual reproduction. Bryophyta. Bryophyta, this is a Greek word, bryon equal to moss, phyton means plants. Includes the simplest and primitive land plants. Due to peculiar types of their habitats, they are regarded as the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Habitat. Bryophytes usually grow in the moist and shady places. Specialized habitats. Some bryophytes grow in diverse habitats such as aquatic, like example Rixia fluitans, Rixiocarpus natans, Riella, epiphytes. Examples are Dendroxyros, Redula proteinasa, and many mosses. Saprophytes, example Bombemia, Epilla, Cryptothalus mirabilis. B. Dry habitats such as dry heaths, example Polytrichum juniperinum. Deserts, example Totula desertorum. And dry rocks, example Porella platyphylla. Sexual reproduction. The male sex organ is called as antheridium and the female as archegonium. Salient features of the class: Hepatocopsida. The Latin word hepatica means liver. Thus, the members of Hepatocopsida are popularly known as liverworts. Anthocereptopsida. This class is characterized by the following characters. Gametophyte is thalloid. Thalli are lobed, dorsiventral, and internally homogeneous without any differentiation of tissues. Air chambers and air pores are absent, but mucilage cavities may be present. Rhizoids are only smooth-walled. Scales are absent. Each cell possesses single, sometimes more, large chloroplasts with central pyrenoid. Oil bodies are absent. Antheridia are endogenous in origin, born singly or in groups inside the closed cavity. Sporogonia is differentiated into foot, meristematic zone, and capsule. The seta is absent. Capsule has central sterile columella. Bryopsida. The members of Bryopsida are commonly known as mosses. The class is characterized by the following characters. Gametophyte is differentiated into two stages: prostrate proteinema and erect radial leafy shoots. Leafy shoot appendices are spirally arranged on a stem like axis. Rhizoids are multicellular with oblique septa. Sex organs develop from superficial cells. Sporogonium is differentiated into foot, seta, and capsule. Wall of capsule is several layered with stomata on epidermis. Has central columella. Elaters are absent. Pteridophyta. The Pteridophyta, Greek means pteron, feathers, and phyton equal to plants, means plants with feather-like fronds or ferns. They are flowerless, seedless, spore-producing vascular plants which has successfully invaded Habitat: the plants of periodophytes are mostly terrestrial. They prefer shady habitats. They have sporophytic plant body. Apical growth: the pteridophyte generally possesses a single apical cell with three cutting faces in the pseudoapex. Silent features of subphyla: Subphylum Psilopsida. These are the oldest known vascular plants. Most of them, except Psilotum and Mesopteris, are fossils. Plant body is relatively less differentiated. Roots are absent, instead dichotomously branched rhizome is present. Aerial axis is either necked or have small spirally arranged leaves. So this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye.